Ha ha ha?
I bought a bit there in school. Vegetable sometimes.
Okay, you have to prove now you're eating vegetable. You get what? Kneel down to Mongo or vegetable? Eat. Eat gulay. That's very good for your body. Get now or I'll put. Isang spoon. Pag hindi talaga magkain ng gulay, sabi ko magluhod kayo sa munggo. Ginasabi ko. Pag ako makalagay, 3. Punuin yan. Bakit half lang? More. Sabaw lang yan. Wag talaga ako galitin pag ako makalagay. Yan, maubos yan ba pag ako maglagay?
Maubos mo yan, Beth?
Oo, ubos mo. Okay. Ay, may nahulog.
Wala, sabaw lang yan.
Yung talong nahulog.
Ma, not part of talong, you know that. Stay away from me.
Good job, Belle. How is it, gulay, Belle? Very good. Oh, bakit nakasimangot ka? That's God's blessing. He created that gulay para hindi ka
No, he created wine.
No.
He created gulay to make you beautiful.
beautiful and strong. Para yung ating intestine hindi mag-suffer. Kaya kung sige ka kung karne, di ba, mag-suffer yung tinain natin. So, it will turn, mag-cancer ka. Colon cancer. What? May panggastos ka na. Oh, that's why, magkain ng gulay. Ay, parang maliit lang yung gulay mo na kaya naubos ka agad. Oh, kuha uli. Kuha uli.
You have a ring, Mama.
What? Isa na lang last.
No, I will believe you.
Nagluhod ka talaga sa munggo mamaya.
Good name.
Oh, si Bella gani, oh. Oh, sarap, Bell, di ba? Alam mo, mabilis lang magtubo yung ngipin niya. Bell, no? Mabilis lang magtubo yung ngipin mo, Bell. Smile ka, Bell. Ganda-ganda naman ng anak ko, oy.
Prove it. Do I have any teeth? Huh? Then why I never experienced, Mama? And my teeth doesn't grow fast.